Hi friends, welcome to Jayashree Balan-Learn Astrology. Today we are going to see Venus in Purva Padrapada Nakshatra, which is 3 charan comes into the Aquarius and then last charan comes into the Pisces. Before starting, if you want your consultation, you can reach me through the jayasreebalan@gmail.com, and if you want to learn astrology, you can reach me astrojayasreebalan.com. So Venus in Purva Bhadra Nakshatra. Purva Bhadra Nakshatra deity is a Aja Ekapada, and then it is a 25th Nakshatra of Jupiter's Trijanma Nakshatra is Purva Bhadra Nakshatra. So here, a lot of historical event took place in Aquarius. Because of that only, it is the group activities. It's a gain place. We should say Labhasthana. 11th house is always our Labhasthana. Whatever we are enjoying in this world, it came out of the ocean only. So this is a lot of historical event took place over there. So it's a group activities, friendship, social security, social knowledge, social knowledge, gender knowledge, everything. Whatever we are enjoying, it came out of the Aquarius only. There, the lot of story I have said. The one more story attached to it is while churning ocean, from the Rahu's mouth, lot of poison came out. So if the poison spread out all over the ocean, people will die. So that Shiva came out and then he swallowed all the poison. So he should not affect his body. So he should not die. So that Parvati came and then hold his neck very tightly, so that the poison should not go into his body. That is why the Kanta in the sense that is snake, Neela in the sense that is the blue. Blue in poison is always in blue. So Rahu is the poison. So it is a Rahu's color is electrical blue. Rahu is the electric shock and all. So it is called electrical blue, Rahu's color. That is why he is called Neelaganta. I would say one more story on that. Those people who are having very something special in their job. The planet will be in Pushya Nakshatra in Cancer, and then another planet in the it's a Anuradha Nakshatra in Scorpio, and then some good planet in Purvabhadra Nakshatra. Those people can have a third eye opener. That is the last stage. Third eye opener is the last. When the everything gets success, then lastly the third eye blasts open. That is why they are having a special capacity. We cannot control our body. We cannot do. If it happened to us, we cannot able to handle these things. That is why they are the special people who only have this placement. Same way, I could say say the even astrologers having some special divine knowledge in the inbuilt body. That is why we are capable to go through the planets to predict the people's chart. You can read about their fate, everything. That is, we should have some divine knowledge in our body. These things are getting from the Purvabhadra Nakshatra only. The divine knowledge is not an easy thing. So I would say so many people have astrologers are born in this nakshatra also. And then they are moderate builder, and then they are born intelligent. They are always peace lovers, but even though if they get angry, because Shiva gets angry very fast. So like that, they are very gets angry very easily. But they are they speak to a lot of teachers, and not only astrologers, not only researchers, not only kind of siddhas and all. It is a lot. We could say lot of religious leaders born in this nakshatra. So they are religious followers, religious leaders. So many leaders will be in this nakshatra. So they will always ready to help the people. They while speaking itself, they will get immense respect and confidence on their speech, and then they will they may face a problem with their mother. Maybe they are seeing through his mother suffering without a helpless. That is the one we can say that this placement is bad side. And then 24 to 30 itself they will settle down. And then 40 to 54 is the golden period for them. They may have a health issues of acidity. Then it is a Saturn house. That is why they will have a paralysis attack and diabetes. These kind of things they may face. So now we will see the charan. 4 charan will be there. The first 3 charan will be in Aquarius. The last 1 charan will be in the 4th charan will be in Pisces. So it is the Jupiter's energy comes into play because it is a Saturn's house. Venus is placed over here, and then the nakshatra is Jupiter's nakshatra, and the energy is the Jupiter energy itself. So Jupiter is the 11th lord. As well as Jupiter, we used to say our father figure. So they are very attached to their fathers, and then they will travel a lot. They may settle in abroad. They all the researchers. Because 10th house is the Scorpio, which is called research. Then here the Aquarius is also research. So many researchers are their Venus will be in Purva Nakshatra. And then second one is the Saturn's energy comes into the here. So they will be, they are very good poet. We say poet, they are, the previous video got elated. So I am continuing it. So Venus in Purva Nakshatra, second charan will be in Aquarius. Saturn's house, Venus is over there, and then it is a Jupiter's nakshatra, and it comes to the Saturn's energy over there. So there will be a lot of poet, musician, and then they will have a teeth problem, and also they will have a skin problem. And then the Saturn is there, and then this Saturn house, and then Rahu is also co-partner. They may have a, that is why I said paralysis attack, and then like a kind of acidity, bone related problem they may face. And then third one is the third charan will be into the Mercury's energy. Aquarius, which is the last pada for the Aquarius, Mercury's energy. So they will do the lot of business with the leather, because the devata of this Purva Bhadra Nakshatra is the Aja Ekpada, the goat, leather. And then and the planet is sitting over here, it is a Venus. They are having business like with leather business, ladies handbag, leather handbags, and then ladies apparel. That kind of business they will do. Import export business they will have. And then the fourth pada comes into the Pisces, Jupiter's house, Jupiter's nakshatra, and the planet is Venus. Venus is exaltation over there, and then it comes to the Ketu's energy. So the married life will be Venus is exaltation. So there will be a lot of good, happy married life, and then they will be a pediatrician, doctors, child related doctors they will be. The reason behind is we have to say like that, when Capricorn is the burial ground, is the death house, it's a karma bhumi, right? That is why when the soul exits from the body, it travels through the Aquarius and reaches to the Pisces, and then in the nakshatra of Revati, it reaches the lotus feet of the Mahavishnu. In between, the previous nakshatra is Sadabhisheka nakshatra, which is the Rahu's nakshatra. Rahu, I said that the circle is the symbol. So circle, what does mean by the circle? When the soul exits from the body, again it takes the rebirth of from there. We could not understand where the end and the what we have to say, starting point and the ending point we could not understand. That is why zero. So when the soul exit, the soul is getting rebirth also. That is why here the Ketu is also the soul giver. So that is why Ketu is Ashwini Nakshatra, is the soul protector, soul giver. That is why we are praying Ganpati. Okay. Here it is, they are doctors for the child, and then they are happy, they will lead a happy married life. This much only I know about the Venus placement in the nakshatra of Purva Bhadra Nakshatra. I think I have explained very well. You might have understood. So thanks for watching my channel. After that, we will see Venus in the Uttara Bhadrapada Nakshatra.